want your favorite song on YouTube to play non-stop without hitting replay every time? In this video, I'll show you how to loop songs so they play continuously. First, open the YouTube app on your phone or tablet and search for the song you want to listen to. Tap on it so the video starts playing. While the song is playing, look closely at the top right corner of the video player. You'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Tap on it to open up playback options. Inside the settings menu, tap on More to reveal additional features. Here you'll find an option called Loop Video with a toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and turn that switch on. Once it's enabled, YouTube will automatically restart your song as soon as it finishes, creating a perfect continuous loop. This way, you can enjoy your favorite track again and again without having to press play manually. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future tips